Welcome to the next big thing in smartphones. Samsung has unveiled its newest Galaxy S24 series, featuring the top-tier Galaxy S24 Ultra. So what's changed from the S23 Ultra, and should you consider upgrading? Let's break it down. Visually, the S24 Ultra retains its predecessor's sleek design but boasts a tougher titanium frame and a flat front display with 47% less bezel, offering a brighter screen for better visibility. The removal of curved edges enhances durability, and the new Corning Gorilla Glass armor provides improved protection against scratches and damage. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra packs an improved cooling system with a larger vapor chamber and 2 added layers of thermal insulation, coupled with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This promises better performance and efficiency, ensuring smooth operation even during demanding tasks like gaming and multitasking. In the camera department, the S24 Ultra introduces a 50-megapixel 5x optical telephoto camera for sharper photos and enhanced zoom capabilities. The revamped camera system delivers stunning clarity and detail, making it ideal for capturing every moment with precision. But the real star of the show is the introduction of Galaxy AI, offering innovative features like Circle to Search and AI-powered photo enhancements. Circle to Search allows users to trace an area on the screen with their stylus or finger, enabling quick searches without leaving the current app. AI-powered photo enhancements provide tools to edit, enhance, and personalize photos with ease, ensuring every shot is picture-perfect. Moreover, Samsung pledges extended support with 7 years of Android software updates and incorporates more recycled materials for sustainability. This commitment to longevity and eco-friendliness ensures that the Galaxy S24 Ultra remains relevant and environmentally conscious for years to come. For current S23 Ultra owners, the decision to upgrade hinges on the allure of Galaxy AI and the desire for longevity. While hardware improvements are incremental, the promise of cutting-edge technology and extended support may sway some. However, it's essential to consider individual needs and priorities before making the decision. In conclusion, whether to upgrade boils down to your appetite for the latest innovations. If you're content with your current device, waiting for a comprehensive review of Galaxy AI might be the prudent move. But if you're eager to experience the future of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 series offers a compelling upgrade path. Stay tuned for more updates on Samsung's latest flagship, and remember, the future is in your hands with the Galaxy S24 series.